Dearest gentle learners, welcome to Alohomora English, your place to explore the magic of books, improve your English, and learn lessons that stay with you for life. So today, let's unlock something powerful together. Listen and read with me.
What if I told you that everything you want in life, money, success, and freedom, starts with just one thought? If you can control your thoughts, you can shape your future. Success doesn't begin outside. It begins in your mind. Think and Grow Rich helps us discover the principles of desire, belief, persistence, and focused action. So, let's begin.
Chapter 1. Burning Desire. Desire means a very strong wish. It is the starting point of all success. If you want something only a little, you may not work hard for it. But if your desire is strong, you will try again and again. You must clearly decide what you want in life. You should not say, "I want to be rich in a general way." Instead, you should say exactly how much money you want and by when you want it. This makes your goal clear. You should also write your goal on paper and read it every day. This helps your mind stay focused. A strong desire gives you energy and direction. It pushes you to take action. A clear and strong desire is the first step to success. Chapter 2. Belief in yourself.
Believe in yourself and your goal. Even if things look difficult, you must trust that you can achieve it.
Faith is created by repeating positive thoughts. If you say again and again, "I can do it," your mind will start believing it. This belief becomes stronger over time. When you have faith, you do not fear failure. You become confident and calm. You take action without doubt. Faith and desire work together. Desire gives you a goal, and faith gives you the power to believe in that goal. If you believe strongly, your chances of success increase. Chapter 3. Positive self-talk. Positive self-talk means talking to yourself in a positive way. It is a method to control your thoughts. Your mind listens to what you repeatedly say. If you keep saying negative things, your mind will believe them. But if you repeat positive statements, your mind becomes strong and confident. You should repeat your goal every morning and night. You should also imagine that you have already achieved it. This creates strong belief inside you. This practice slowly changes your thinking and behavior. What you tell yourself again and again becomes your reality. Chapter 4. Learn the right skills. Knowledge is important, but not all knowledge is useful. You need specialized knowledge, which means learning specific skills related to your goal. For example, if you want to become a doctor, you must study medicine. If you want to start a business, you must learn business skills. You do not need to know everything yourself. You can learn from others, read books, or take help from experts. Knowledge becomes powerful only when you use it in action. Learn the right skills and use them to achieve your goal. Chapter 5. Power of Imagination. Imagination is the ability to create new ideas in your mind. Every big success starts with an idea. There are two types of imagination: creative imagination, new ideas; synthetic imagination, improving old ideas. You can use your imagination to think about new ways to solve problems or achieve your goals. Many businesses started from simple ideas that people first imagined. Use your mind to create ideas because ideas lead to success. Chapter 6. Smart Planning. A goal without a plan is only a wish. You need a proper plan to achieve success. Make a step-by-step plan. If your plan does not work, do not stop. Change the plan and try again. You can also work with other people to make better plans. Teamwork can give better results. Planning gives direction to your actions. Make a plan, take action, and improve your plan if needed. Chapter 7. Decide fast. Stay firm. Successful people make decisions quickly and firmly. Unsuccessful people delay decisions and change them often. Fear is the main reason people do not make decisions. They worry about what others will say. Trust yourself and make decisions with confidence. Once you decide, stay strong and do not change your mind easily. Quick decision does not mean acting without thinking. It means not delaying. After you understand the situation, take some time to think and check basic facts. But do not keep overthinking again and again. Fast decision means clarity, not hurry. It means deciding at the right time with a clear mind. Quick and firm decisions lead to success. Chapter 8. Persistence. Never give up. Persistence means continuing to try even when things are difficult. Many people fail because they give up too early, but successful people keep going even after many failures. Persistence comes from strong desire and faith. If you really want something, you will not quit. You must develop the habit of not giving up. Keep trying until you succeed. Chapter 9. Team Power. Work with other intelligent and supportive people. When people work together, they share ideas, knowledge, and energy. This creates better results than working alone. Choose people who are positive and helpful. Working with the right people increases your chances of success. Chapter 10. Control your emotions. Your emotions are very powerful. Strong emotions can increase your energy and motivation. Control your emotions and use them in a positive way. Do not let negative emotions like fear or anger control you. When you focus your emotional energy on your goal, you become more powerful. Use your emotions wisely to move toward your goal. Chapter 11. Power of Subconscious Mind. The subconscious mind is the hidden part of your mind. It stores all your thoughts and beliefs. It works all the time, even when you are sleeping. It is influenced by your repeated thoughts and emotions. If you feed it positive thoughts, it will help you succeed. If you feed it negative thoughts, it creates problems. Control your thoughts to control your subconscious mind. Chapter 12. Think positive. Attract ideas. The brain is like a center that sends and receives thoughts. It can connect with other people's ideas. When you think positively, you attract positive ideas and opportunities. Your brain works better when it is active and focused. Use your brain actively and think positively. Chapter 13. Trust your instinct. Your instinct is the quiet inner guidance you feel inside. It helps you make decisions and guide you. This ability develops when you practice all the previous steps like desire, faith, and persistence. It is a feeling that tells you what is right or wrong. Listen to your inner voice and trust it. Thank you for learning with me.